Have you ever wondered what it's like to make 6 figures as a day trader and the things you learn along the way? Today I'm going to take you behind the scenes of this high stakes world, sharing my top 8 lessons learned on this exhilarating, sometimes nerve-wracking journey. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rens. I'm a day trader who started with nothing more than just a laptop, some money and a big dream. Through a blend of strategy, calculated risk and unwavering discipline, I have navigated the choppy waters of the financial market to reach a significant milestone, earning 6 figures with day trading. It wasn't easy, but the lessons I have learned are priceless. Lesson 1. Importance of a solid strategy. Never underestimate the power of a solid, well-researched trading strategy. Diving into the market without a plan is like navigating a ship without a map or a compass. I learned to analyze market trends, understand financial news and develop personalized strategy that works for me. It's about having a clear roadmap and the flexibility to adjust when the market changes. Lesson 2. Risk management. Risk management is the cornerstone of sustainable trading. It is not just about the gains. Shielding yourself from devastating losses is equally as important. I have learned to set strict stop losses, diversify my portfolio, and never to put all my eggs in one basket, no matter how good an opportunity seems. Lesson 3. Continuous learning and adaptation. The market is a living, breathing entity, always evolving and always presenting new challenges and opportunities. And that means your strategies must evolve too. So stay informed about global economic trends. Learn from your trades. Always be ready to adapt your approach. The day you stop learning as a trader is the day you stop growing as a trader. Lesson 4. Emotional discipline. Emotional discipline is the unsung hero of successful trading. It's easy to get swayed by greed while there is a market rally, or to panic when the market is going down. But I have learned the hard way that emotional decisions are often costly ones. So stay objective, stick to your trading plan and keep your emotions in check. Lesson 5. Value of patience. Patience truly pays in day trading. The market won't always present favorable opportunities, and that's okay. Sometimes the best trade you take is the one you don't. Waiting for the right moment, the right setup is not just smart, it's essential in trading. Lesson 6. The role of technology. You have to embrace technology, the right trading platforms, analytical tools and access to data. They all can make a huge difference. Some tools I use have been my eyes and ears in the market, helping me make informed and timely decisions. Lesson 7. Accepting losses. Accepting losses is part of the game. Not every trade will be a winner, and it's perfectly fine. But what does matter is what you learn from these losses. Every loss I made taught me something new about the market, about myself and about my strategy. Lesson 8. Cut losses short and let winners run. Like I mentioned in the lesson about risk management, using a stop loss on every trade is so important. You don't want to wake up to a position that has gone the wrong way while you are sleeping. On the other hand, I always leave a little bit of my position open after my trade has hit all my targets. So in case it goes even beyond my targets, I can still profit of that move. Using this strategy, it can make your profit so much bigger. So let's quickly recap these golden lessons. Solid strategy, risk management, continuous learning, emotional discipline, patience, using technology, accepting losses and cutting losses short and letting winners run. If you keep these lessons in mind, you are on your way to smarter and more effective day trading. So to all aspiring day traders out there, start small, stay committed, don't be afraid to take calculated risk. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, so stay hungry for knowledge and experience. I would love to hear about your trading experiences, and if you have any questions, leave it all down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this video helpful, because your support means the world to me. Remember, day trading is a journey filled with highs and lows, but each step is a learning opportunity. Stay tuned for my next video where we'll dive deeper into trading strategies for beginners. Till then, keep trading, keep learning, and stay inspired.